Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2015 Nissan Rogue. And what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the rear passenger side signal bulb. So first we're going to verify the complaint. We're going to see if this is working. As you can see, it's blinking pretty fast. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna replace this light bulb. Right here, we have a 10mm bulb. And I'm gonna be using a 10mm socket. And all we're gonna do is just take it out. Now, this is very easy. I think it has like a tap in here and a tap over here. All you have to do is pull it towards you. See that? Pull it towards you. Now you can see where the light bulbs are at. All you have to do is take this, turn it, and then pull it towards you. As you can see, this thing is all blown out. So all you have to do is just pull it. You take your new one, make sure you have gloves. You don't want to put no grease from your hand in it. All you have to do is just push it in. Now that it's in, you take it, you put it back in the hole, and all you have to do is just spin it. Once you spin it, now all we have to do is just put it back in. As you see this clip right here, this clip goes right in here. And then this one and this one is going to go down here, and the other one is going to go here. And all you have to do is, the way I like to do it, I like to set this one up first, because this one in the bottom will guide me. There's supposed to be another one here. No, excuse me, that's where the nut goes at. Sorry about that, that's where the bolt goes at. But anyway, what you do is just take this, put that one in there first. That's what's going to guide me to put the rest in. And then all you have to do is just push it in. Make sure it's in the side. Once you put it in, take your bowl, put it in. Make sure it's nice and flush. You want to use a ratchet for this, but like I got my little impact, all I'm gonna do is just that's it. And now you make sure that it flushes in, and now you have replaced your signal light on your 2015 Nissan Rogue. Let's see if it's working. So here it goes. It's working. So we have replaced our light bulb on this 2015 Nissan Rogue. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.